Do prepositions confuse you? You are not alone. In today's lesson, I am going to explain some common preposition mistakes which English learners make. So by the end of this video, you are not only going to understand the rules, but also able to check your understanding with a quick quiz. Let's jump right in. Mistake number one is I arrived to the airport. No, it's wrong. I arrived at the airport. It is the most common and natural way to say. I arrived at the airport, at the station, at school. You can also say like this I am in the airport right now waiting for my flight. I am in Paris, like you are in the city. Okay, but for mostly buildings, places, you can use I arrived at the station, at the airport, at school. Mistake number two is she is married with a doctor. No, it's wrong. She is married to a doctor. My cousin is married to Sarah. You can use married with, but it's totally a different case. Like she is married with two kids. He is married with three kids and lives in London. So always use married to, not married with. Mistake number three is he explained me. No, it's wrong. He explained us the rules. It's wrong. You can say in that way, he explained the rules to me. She explained the situation to us. But with tell, you can use it. He tell us the situation. He tells us the rules. She tells us about the problem. With tell, you can put the person directly after verb. Number four is I will finish my work in the morning. I will finish my work by the morning. Both these sentences are correct, but they have totally different meaning. I will finish my work in the morning means when. It's anytime during the morning. I will finish my work by the morning means I have to complete it before morning. Like morning is a deadline. Okay. Don't worry, I will finish the report by the morning. It means before the morning. Morning is the deadline. Mistake number five is she is in the bus. No, it's wrong. She is on the bus. She is on the bus going to school. I was on the bus when it started raining. He was on the plane going to London. You can use in the bus in these ways like she is in the bus cleaning it. The students are in the bus waiting for the driver. Number six is you are looking in the mirror. It means you are looking your reflection, yourself in the mirror. Looking at the mirror. It means you are not looking yourself in the mirror, but you are looking at the mirror itself. As someone told you it was broken and you're looking at the mirror. She was looking in the mirror to fix her hair. He kept looking in the mirror before interview. He was looking at the mirror, wondering if it was antique. So, in the mirror means you're looking into your reflection, and at the mirror means the mirror itself. Now, jump towards the quick quiz and your understanding. We arrived the airport 2 hours before our flight. In at 2. We arrived at the airport 2 hours before our flight. That's the right one. She is married, or doctor, with to by. She is married to a doctor. It's correct one. He explained the rules, us clearly. To, at, with. He explained the rules to us clearly. I will finish the project, the morning. In, by, on. I will finish the project by the morning because it's deadline. He was looking the mirror to check his tie at in into. He was looking in the mirror to check his tie. This is the correct one. She is married. 2 kids. With 2 at. She is married with 2 kids. That's the right one. Now, I hope you understand all these preposition mistakes and you have learned from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to make a video on some particular topic, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.